Here's a piece of Boulder Opal from the Winton area, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. The white you're seeing on the top there, for example, is a reflection of the lights. Basically, you can see it's two levels. Cut that off through there. End up with a small stone here and there. And then have to decide what you want to do with this. It's got a slight twist in it. I would suggest maybe 1, 2 stones, triangular piece, that one. It's nice and thick, so you've got plenty of material to work with. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.